There is no money. Before we get into the main topic, I want to say a bit about money. I take the position that there is no money, or at least no money of substance in our current economic system. You may disagree with this position, and there's certainly room for debate. But for the sake of clarity, I will elaborate why I feel my position has some merit. One definition of money is a medium of exchange. If you want to use this definition, then I would have to say that there is money in our economic system. We certainly do exchange money or Federal Reserve notes, FRNs, to get the goods and services that we need. But this definition begins to reveal the problem with what we call money. The word exchange means a situation in which equal value is given between two parties. If there is money of substance, then an exchange can take place. By money of substance, I mean something that has intrinsic value of its own, such as gold and silver. Let me illustrate this concept of an exchange. Let's say it is 1900 and you own a clothing store. You're selling men's suits for $20. If someone were to give you a $20 gold piece for a suit, an exchange would have taken place. Both the suit and gold have intrinsic value, so both parties receive equal value. Now, let's update the story to modern times. You have a clothing store and are selling a suit for $300. Someone comes in and gives you $300 in Federal Reserve notes. A FRN is a note. But what is a note? Note: an instrument containing an express and absolute promise of signer. For example, maker: to pay to a specified person or order or bearer a definite sum of money at a specified time. Black's Law Dictionary, 5th edition. So a note is a promise to pay at some future date. It is a debt instrument. A Federal Reserve note is a pledge on the part of the government to pay a debt. This means that every Federal Reserve note in circulation is actually a liability of the federal government. It might appear to be an asset to the one holding it, but it just means the government will pay off the debt someday when there is substance. Federal Reserve notes are backed by the full faith and credit of the United States. But where is the government going to get assets to pay off these liabilities? The government is an artificial entity that has no source of wealth on its own. The only source the government has is we, the people. The natural resources of the earth are the source of all wealth. But without people, natural resources have no value.